a level crossing near this motorway. Which is a... Wait, I wanted to go to this level crossing. Level crossing here. No, it was just active.
I can't stop here though, Max. You're not allowed to stop here.
Yeah. Okay. You can go actually. Oh, go. What, Daddy?
What?
This is the place where I wanted to go, actually. Well, I'm here now. But you can go now.
Next time, yeah?
Yeah. This is the end of the video. I will be. This is just a sneak peek, guys.
Okay. Industrial estate.
You can go. Yeah, I'm fine. I don't want you getting fined. It's just a sneak peek, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.